Hey, how you doing? I'm sat amongst some very inquisitive piglets that are still with their mums. I've got my eye on the other paddock where I've dropped off some weaned piglets. It's a while since they've been weaned, but I'm just making sure that they're going to stay, or touch wood, I've done my best to make sure that they'll stay where they are overnight. They've got water, they've been fed, they've still got carrots lying around. They've patrolled their perimeter. They know where their house is. They know where their tractor tyre is. They've all had a touch of the electric fence. So ideally they'll stay where they should be. Come the morning, hopefully everything's fine. This bunch exploring their tractor tyre. The crashing noise you can hear behind in the background. I've got some larger pigs that I'm taking back down in the trailer, and the pigs will play with the gates in the trailer. The gates can be thrown around a bit, just up and down. The pigs like to touch anything with their snout and they move the gates up and down. They make a great game of it. The gates have started to look a little bit second-hand. They work like they should do, but they don't appear as they should do properly. So we go try and get a look at these youngsters on this tractor tyre. When I asked the neighbour if he had any old tractor tyres, he thought I was crazy. He soon brought them up, but this is what they're for. And the piglets will rub, play, scratch. What they are doing is not rubbing and playing with the pig ark. And they soon learn that, hello mum, that they need to scratch. Hopefully they take the idea of rubbing on the tractor tyres into adulthood, and they don't smash up the arks. They are quite capable of damaging the wooden pieces on the arks. So this is why I do the free range thing. Anyway, it's getting a bit chilly, almost not t-shirt weather, hard to believe. See you now.